Good evening, everyone. Today we are going to explain about practical exercise. So my name is THARVIN, and my teammate, this is my teammate KODISWARAN, MOORTHY, and VIRAJ MANIAM.
Good evening, everyone. My name is KODISWARAN, Trigonometric 10 TDT 22F1103. So here is the question one. Connect all N device with correct cable. Create one server that connected to ISP router using IP address 209.165.200.229/30 and create addressing table using format below. So device one, router one, gigabyte 0/0/0, IP address 10.0.1.1, subnet 255.255.255.0, and gigabyte 0/0/1, IP address 10.02.1, subnet 255.255.255.0, and the serial port 0/1/0, IP address 10.0.3.1, subnet bus 255.255.255.0, and for the router R2 G0/0/0, IP address 10.0.4.1, and subnet mask 255.255.255.255.0, and gigabyte 0/0/1, 10.0.5.1, subnet mask 255.255.255.0, and for the serial port 0/1/0, 10.0.3.2, subnet mask 255.255.255.0, and the second serial port 0/1/1. The IP address 209.165.200.225, subnet mask 255.255.255.0, and the ISP device IP address interface G0/0, IP address 209.165.200.230, and the subnet mask 255.255.255.252, and the serial port 0/1/1, 209.165.200.226, and the subnet mask 255.255.255.252. So the device PC1 IP address 10.0.1.10, subnet mask 255.255.255.0, and the default gateway is 10.0.1.1. For the device PC2 IP address 10.0.2.10, subnet mask 255.255.255.0, and the default gateway 10.0.2.1, and PC3 IP address 10.0.4.10, and the subnet mask 255.255.255.0, and the default gateway for PC3 is 10.0.4.1, and PC4 IP address 10.0.5.5.10, and subnet mask 255.255.255.0, and the default gateway 10.0.5.1. For the server IP address 209.165.200.225 200.229, and the subnet mask 255.255.255.252, and the default gateway is 209.165.200.2230.
Selamat sejahtera Tuan, nama saya THARVIN, nombor metrik saya 10DDT22F1022. So this is the question 2, write basic configuration to all router. Configuration tasks for each router include the following. Enable host configuration T, configuration command on per line and with control Z. Host name router 1, no IP domain lookup. Line VTY 015, pass Cisco, login, exit. Line console 0, pass class, login, exit. Banner MOTD, unauthorized access is provided. Enable secret class. Thank you.
My name is VIRAJ. My matrix number is 10DDT32F1142. Now I am going to explain about question 3. Write command to enable ERGP for each router. Use AS number 10. Use specifiers to correct interface. Okay, on R1, the ERGP R1 is router ERGP 10. The passive interface I use on gigabit internet 0/0/0 and gigabit internet 0/0/1, and we use uh, network 10.0.3.0 0.0.0.255 and network 2.9.165 2.00.224 0.0.0.3 and network 10.0.1.0 0.0.0.255 network 10.0.2.0 0.0.0.255, and this network I use on router 1. On router 2, we use ERGP router ERGP10, and the passive interface I use on gigabit internet 0/0/0 and 0/0/1. On the network, we use the network is network 10.0.4.0 0.0.0.255 and network 10.0.5.0 0.0.0.255 network Z 10.0.3.0 0.0.0.255 and network Z 209.165.200.224 0.0.0.3. On ISP router, use router ERGP10, and the passive interface are used on gigabit internet 0/0/0. We use network 209.165.200.224 and 0.0.0.3, and also use network 209.165.200.228 and 0.0.0.3. Next is question 4. Test connectivity each end device using ping command. So now we are connect from PC1 to PC2. So we ping the IP address of PC2 10.0.2.10. So we can successfully ping to PC2. Next we ping to PC3. CP IP address is 10.0.4.10. We also successfully ping for the PC3.
As we ping with PC4. The PC4 IP address is 10.0.5 and we can successfully ping with PC4. Next, we ping with the server. So the server IP address is 209.265.200.229. So we can successfully ping with PC1 to server. So all end device can ping successfully each other. Okay, the next question is each PC can browse to the server. Show the result. So first we go to the PC1, open web browser, enter the server IP address. The server IP address is 209.165.200.29. So PC1 can successfully browse to the server. Next we go to the PC2, open web browser, we enter the server IP address. PC2 also can successfully browse to the server. Next is PC3. Enter the server IP address. PC3 also successfully browsed to the server. The last one is PC4. Open web browser. Enter the server IP address. PC4 also successfully browsed to the server. So all these four PC can browse to the server without any error.